Good evening. Sorry. Good evening. Today we are going to talk about coordinating conjunctions. So we had talked about conjunction. Conjunction is basically when we use a joining word for connecting two ideas, or we connecting two parts of sentences, phrases, clauses, etc. Now, in today's this small video, I would like to give you a brief about coordinating conjunction. So the word coordinating conjunction means that they are the words that join sentences that have similar elements. So we can remember conjunction by this jigsaw puzzle. Now, sorry, coordinating conjunctions are basically renamed as fanboys. So F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, or yet so. So they all have two or three letters. Fine. We have also done a sentence structure as how to use the conjunctions. We'll write the first part of the sentence. We'll put a comma, then the coordinating conjunction, and after that we are going to write the rest part of the sentence and then a full stop. In certain cases we do not put a comma when we are dealing with and. So as in class 5 I will not deduct your marks. So what we can establish a rule is we will not put a comma before and. Fine, because we are too young to understand the difference as where to put a comma, where not. So we will rule out this rule for now. Next, comma before the fanboys. So this is what we had discussed. Used after a comma to combine two simple sentences. They are called coordinating conjunctions. So now we are going to do a simple rule, a quick brush up of how the coordinating conjunctions are exercising in the English sentence structures. So this is the basic rule. We use coordinating conjunction to show relationship between two ideas. So two ideas here means part one of the sentence and part two of the sentence. Okay. For is used for cause. For means because. Because is not a conjunction. In place of because, we will always use for. For means to tell the reason. We basically tell the reason. So it is action. That means somebody is doing something. Then we'll write for and then we'll give the reason as why the first part of the sentence is happening. Why the first part of the sentence is happening. For example, I am not going to school for I have fever. Simple. You are telling the reason why you're not going to the school. Next is and. And means addition. To add to an idea. To add more to something. I would like to eat bread and go out to school. Or I would like to finish the work first and then do something. So this is something when we are talking about when we are adding on to the information. Next is nor. Nor is basically a negative agreement. Negative agreement means when it is connecting two negative statements. For example, I can say that neither. Nor is always combined with a word called neither or neither. Both ways it is pronounced correctly at the initial part of the sentence. Or we can remember it, they are talking about two negative statements and nor connect them. I neither like this nor that. I don't like him nor his attitude. So basically you're talking about two negative agreements. But is used when we are talking about opposite ideas. Or we all know it is used for choice. Now there is a very little difference between but and yet. Yet is used in a formal context, but is used a bit in an informal context. But we can use when we are talking about something bit non-formal way or in an informal way, and we are not talking about the extremes. Yet we use when we are talking about something extreme, day or night, pass and fail, good and bad. So they are extremely opposites, and that is the reason we use the word yet there. In the examination, I'm not going to deduct your marks when we are putting but or yet interchangeably, so that can be given a benefit of doubt to you. So up there is a cheat code for so and for. In for, that is because we talk about the action, then there is a conjunction, and then we tell the reason. Whereas in so, we tell the reason first, then we tell the action. So remember this rule. With this beautiful two rules, you can remember where to put so, where to put but. Okay. Sorry, where to put so and where to use for. Last image is of my blackboard work, right? So for is used for because we tell the reason or the cause, and as for addition, negative. So I will not discuss this part as I've already discussed. I have shared this image for these examples. Okay, I came late for it was raining. So when I use this, I came late, there is an action being talked about. Then there is a conjunction, and why I came late? Because it was raining. So rather than writing because, I have used for. Now I have used the reason first. It was raining, so I came late. I am giving the reason first and then the action. So this is a perfect example for so and for. That's it. And now I'm going to give you a blackboard work for the articles. We missed, a few of us missed because we were not available. So I am sorry for the blur image, but I think with my voice you can decode this image in a better way. Articles are of two types, definite and indefinite articles. We have three types of articles, a and the. A and are basically the indefinite articles, whereas the is the definite article. A is used when we have a consonant sound and is used when we have a vowel sound. So you need to be careful. I am not saying vowel. I am saying vowel sound. Okay. It refers to a particular or specific thing or a person. He is the man of the match. Okay. So I'm talking about a particular person who has performed well in cricket and is denoted by a title, the Sun. Things which we have already talked about. Okay. In addition to that, articles, indefinite article, a and an, I do not talk about something specific or a particular thing. It is used when we are talking about something for the first time. It is used before a singular noun and with a countable noun. So that is the rule which we have to remember for the articles. We have done enough exercise in the class, but this was something I wanted to brief you one more time. So that's it for a quick review over the grammar topics. Thank you.